Alright, welcome to the lecture on testing cable. We test cable when we're not getting a connection to other devices. So if we plug in a computer and it doesn't get a connection, we check the back, there's no lights. We need to go ahead and figure out what's going on. Or maybe we have a device that's supposed to get power over the Ethernet and it doesn't get any power, so we need to figure out what wires are not being either used correctly or they're not punched down or what's happening. So we need to troubleshoot. First step is change your patch cable. Make sure the patch cable at the device is good, so we could change that out. Look for connection. If there's no connection, change the patch at the patch panel to the switch. If you're still not getting a connection, then you need to use your cable tester. Plug the cable tester into the jack at the desk and then into the patch panel and see if the cable wires are punched down correctly. You'll find that without data connection, it's usually the blue pair that has an issue, and if you're not getting power, then it's usually the green pair. So I hope this helps you understand troubleshooting cable a little bit better. We'll see you in the next section.